Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I come up with question number 2 of exercise number 8.1, and it is given that it means the figure is given and what we have to find tan of P and cot of R. But first and the foremost thing is the figure which is given is a right angle triangle. As I have told you several times, in trigonometry we are dealing with the special type of triangle, and that is known as the right angle triangle. So the figure PQR is a triangle with one angle, that is angle Q. It is of 90-degree measure, and the two sides are also given. Side PQ and PR are given. PQ is having 12 cm of measure, whereas PR is having 13 cm of measure. Dear viewers, as you are aware, once the two sides of a right angle triangle are given, the third can be calculated with the help of a theorem that is known as the Pythagorean theorem. So we will solve it as in figure, or we will take in right angle triangle, a PQR, right angle at Q, use PGT, that means Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras says the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the other two sides. Here the hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to the greater angle. Here angle P and angle Q, they are the acute angles. That means they are the angles with their measure less than 90 degree. So angle R is an acute angle, angle P is an acute angle. So the greater angle here is the Q, and the side opposite to the greater angle is a greater side. So it means the greater side of a right angle triangle is known as the hypotenuse. So as per the Pythagoras says the hypotenuse square, it means here the PR square is equal to this is the side which is adjacent, but generally the lower side is known as the base of a triangle. So base square, it means QR square plus altitude, or we can say this as the perpendicular. So it means PQ square. The side PR is given and is of 13 cm of measure. The side PQ is given, it is of 12 cm of measure. So the side RQ is the side which we have to find here. So we will use the values of the sides. So PR, it is of 13 cm. So here we are having square of the side. So 13 square is equal to the QR. QR is the side that we have to find. So write down as it is. While PQ is of 12 centimeters. But here we are having square. So write down the square also. So once we will solve it, the square of 13, it is 169. Then QR, write down as it is because it doesn't have value, and this is the side which we have to find. Then 12 square, it is equal to 144. So thereafter, QR, write down QR and do simple transposing here. QR square is equal to the 169 and transpose this 144. Once we will transpose it from right side to left side, the sign will change. So here it is positive sign at 145. Once we will transpose it to the another side, the sign will be changed. So we will get negative sign at 144. Thereafter, for further calculation, we get QR square is equal to the, once we will subtract 144 from 169, we will get 25 centimeter. So here QR square, but we need the side without the square. So taking root both sides. So once we will take the root, we will get QR, under root of QR square is equal to the under root of 25 is the square of 5. So write down it as. So square and root here cancel out, square and root cancel out. In this manner we get the side without square, that is the QR, and it is equal to 5 centimeter. So the base here is the 5 centimeter. Thereafter, dear viewers, we have to find tan of P minus cot of R. First of all, we will find tan of P. So it means the acute angle which is under focus here, under consideration, that is P. And now this is the adjacent side of angle P, and this is the opposite side of angle P. opposite side of angle P. Here see, if the angle is this and this is the adjacent of that very side and this is the opposite side, if the angle OR is under focus at that very time, this side will act as the adjacent side and this side will act as the opposite side. But here our focus is on angle P. So 10, as we are here, it is side opposite to the angle upon side adjacent. So opposite is here RQ. So write down RQ, and the side adjacent is here PQ. Assign them the values. RQ is of 5 centimeter, while PQ is of 12 centimeter. So mark this as first. After getting 10 of P, we have to focus on chord of R. So write down chord of R. It means the chord of angle R. So this is the angle which is under consideration here. Now this side will act as the adjacent side, and this side will now act as the opposite side, because angle R is under consideration here, and the PQ side is opposite to angle R, and RQ is the adjacent side of the angle R. So chord, it is the reciprocal, so it means the adjacent side upon hypotenuse, adjacent is RQ, and upon this opposite side, that is PQ. So RQ is of 5 centimeter and PQ is of 12 centimeter. Once we will compare these two, we will write 10, or we will subtract them. So we will write 10 of P minus chord of R is equal to 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12. In this manner, 10 of P minus chord of R, here the LCM is same, so write down 5 minus 5 upon 12. So thereafter 10 of P minus chord of R is equal to 5 subtracted by 5, we get 0. In this manner, 10 of P minus chord of R is equal to 0. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.